Hi everyone! Today we're going to fly from Chicago, Illinois to Los Angeles, California. I know this video is supposed to be about day 1 of our California trip, but I thought it would have been nice to show you how I fly for the first time since 2019. So the last time I flew is right before the pandemic, which is early December 2019. My husband and I went to Japan and we both got sick right away when we came home. It almost felt like COVID, but at the time we didn't have the equipment or resources to test the virus, so who knows. Anyway, this California trip is the first time in 2 years that I am traveling with a plane. Also, this is our first time flying with Spirit Airline. I've seen all the memes out there about Spirit Airline, but this airline is not so bad and the staffs are really friendly and so helpful. After we land in Los Angeles, my husband already booked a car for us so that we can explore LA by driving. It's already midnight when we arrive at the hotel, so we're going to rest right away, as tomorrow is our first day in California. Today is kind of a little gloomy and we are starting our day right away with breakfast in a restaurant called Urth Caffe. I was recommended by a coworker to go there as this is one of the most popular spots for breakfast. They have a variety of options for breakfast. Their baked goods look so good. My husband is having coffee and I'm having cappuccino. As for breakfast, I'm having the rustic poach and my husband is having prosciutto and cheese breakfast panini. I was a little bit surprised by the amount of tomatoes that are on my toast, and I am not a big fan of tomatoes, but surprisingly they taste so good. Everything tastes so fresh and delicious. This is definitely a good place to go for breakfast.
We can stop by and walk a little more.
Next place that we're going is Finis Canal's Historic District. Just to walk off our big breakfast and to adjust to California scenery. This neighborhood is apparently outrageously expensive. Small houses like these could cost millions of dollars. We managed to find our way to the beach. The breeze is so cold and when we touch the water, it feels like ice freezing cold water. Although a lot of people are surfing in the area. Now we're on our way to Abbot Kinney Boulevard. This place is actually a shopping district. They have a lot of stores and it is also fun to just walk around. We also passed by Marina Del Rey, which I think is not much of a place to explore, but perhaps only to take pictures. I can tell that the sun is coming up and the day is about to get brighter and warmer. And now on to the next place. We're now in Santa Monica Pier. It is a beautiful place and I highly recommend this place. That's too big. What are you talking about? Yeah. I agree.
We got a gift shop there.
I can't. We tried to take a ride on the Ferris wheel, even though my husband is afraid of height. But man, the view is worth it. Wow, are you scared?
Oh, look at the ocean. I'm not scared, but give me some moment.
It's like we're the drone. Yeah. I feel like I got a Bali vibe. Yeah. Don't you think? Since we're starting to get hungry, we're looking for a place to eat. And we come across this ramen place called Silverlake Ramen. I ordered chicken karaage bowl, and this is one of the most delicious chicken karaage I have ever had. There is something about the spices that just melt in my mouth. I even practiced at home on how to make a better chicken karaage after I tried this. My husband ordered the garlic truffle ramen. We both tried it and man, this is equally as good as the ramen that we've had in Japan. Now we're on our way to the Getty Museum. In order to get in the Getty Museum, we had to book the tickets from their website. The tickets are free, but parking costs $20 per car. We also have to show our vaccine card and ID before we enter. We were supposed to get there with a monorail, but apparently they're under maintenance, so a bus took us instead. The Getty Museum feels like what would they describe as a Californian dream. It's so beautiful and they have extensive collection of art. The Jean Paul Getty Museum at the Getty Center in Los Angeles houses European paintings, drawings, sculpture, illuminated manuscript, decorative arts, and photography from its beginnings to the present, gathered internationally. The place is perfect for people to hang out and have quality time with friends and family. Before dinner, we plan to go to Wanderlust ice cream. They are simply one of the most delicious ice cream I've ever had. For dinner, we choose to have a seafood restaurant called Watergrill. Since Santa Monica is by the sea, we think that the seafood choice would be fresh and exquisite. And boy, how wrong we were. My husband and I did not enjoy this food at all. We paid around $50 per dish and they did not even season the dish. My husband can only taste chili powder from his dish and I can't taste anything in mine. And I was so scared that it's either that I lost my sense of taste because I have COVID or the chef didn't even bother to put salt in the dish. It was disappointing all around. Overall, our first day in California is starting off with a good start, even if we had to end it with that awful dinner. If you like this video, please click that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.